What is up, my disciples? Coding Jesus here. If you're new to this channel, my name is Coding Jesus. By trade, my profession is a quantitative developer, meaning I write server and client-side applications for traders at the firm that I work at. Today's video, I'm going to be discussing how I became the #1 trader on Profitly, Profit.ly, whichever way you want to call it. The very legitimate and verified trading platform, one where you post your gains, you can discuss various concepts with followers, and you can really compete against other people in the rat race of modern day trading. All right, guys, how did I become #1? What's my strategy in generating $2.6 billion worth of profit and loss over a single weekend? Well, guys, I'll answer all those questions, but before I do, let's actually take a look at me on the leaderboards on Profitly as the #1 trader there. Now, if you go on Profitly.com today, you'll see that the #1 spot is empty. That's because my account has been locked, and we'll get into that in a second. But I do have the receipts. I did film a video of Profitly's website going through all the tabs and all the leaderboards showing that I am #1 or was #1 at the time around 3 days ago. So let's go ahead and take a look at that video. Alrighty, as you can see, #1 spot on Profitly.com, Coding Jesus, okay? I made $2.6 billion worth of verified and audited trading profit. As you can see below me, we have all the modern day fake gurus. They all run in packs here. We have, the Timothy Sykes, the Superman, I don't even know who that is, the Stephen Dews of the world, Croy Runner, never heard of the guy. Maybe I'll take a look at him. Lucky Strikes, never heard of them. But as you can see, there are like dozens of fake stock trading gurus. Now, when we actually look at my account, as you can see, I'm a fully transparent trader. I'm verified, and as you can see, my trades, I've made 19,154 of them. Taking a look at the actual trade chart here, you can see when you look at the chart here that I actually started with what appears to be -$9 million in trading losses, and I was able, through statistics, hard work and dedication, rigorous technical analysis, to go from -$7 million all the way to $2.6 billion worth of trading profit. And I did so over the course of what appears to be a year. Now, I have around 19,000 trades, and as you can see, I have quite a strong winning percentage. Around 75% of my trades are winning trades with an average gain of around $200,000. Now, if you want to ask me, in terms of who's the leader in the guru space, that's me, the Coding Jesus, because all this is verified and auditable for those that are looking for proof that indeed I did make these gains. Alrighty, let's actually look at my trades. So as you can see, I have various trades here. Recently made 13,000 bucks profit trading AMC long, easy stuff. My broker's Trade Zero, just like the best of those gurus like Stephen Dew and gang. Trade Zero is my go-to verified and audited brokerage platform. What else can I talk about here? I mean, average gain, winning percentage, these are all percentages that are much higher than all those gurus out there. So if you were to ask me, you're looking at the new day trading guru right here, Coding Jesus. Let's go back though and look at some of my competitors here. Let's look at my favorite fake day trading, least charismatic guru out there, Stephen Dew. Ooh, that's a low win percentage, only 67%, Stephen. You gotta up it to around 75% if you wanna be competitive. Not great, not great. All right, well, that's a little tour of the actual leaderboards at the time. I believe I filmed this leaderboard video around I think 2 days ago since filming. Today's the 26th of June, and I filmed it on the 24th of June. Now, how did I achieve such amazing results? How did I become the #1 trader on Profitly seemingly overnight with around $2.6 billion worth of profit? Well, guys, if you haven't found out yet, Profitly isn't a platform that verifies and makes sure that your trades are audited. Rather, it's a platform for something called social proof in marketing. That's why I strongly believe that while these Timothy Sykes and the Stephen Dew crowd are indeed fakes in terms of their stock trading performance and their guru-ness, they are great at marketing, at convincing you that they are real. And how do they convince you? Well, they create sites like Profitly that act as social proof. These are sites created by them, paid for by them, advertised on by them, that they will go ahead and actually post what appears to be verified and audited trades. Now, it is my opinion that these trades are not verified or audited simply due to the fact that I was able to generate $2.6 billion worth of profit in trades and upload that onto the website. But hey, this is just my opinion. I'll let you be the judge. Now, social proof is the concept of showing other people that you are indeed a pre-select individual, somebody that's high up there on the food chain, high up there on the hierarchy, via some sort of third-party verification. Oftentimes when you go to clubs and you see, guys at booths buying $2,000, bottles of vodka, that in a sense is social proof that they have money, because they are there showing other people that they do indeed have the ability to purchase those very expensive drinks. And oftentimes they will attempt to do so in effort to attract a member of the opposite sex via that social proof. Now, that social proof doesn't only need to be in the realm of money, it can be in many other different realms, and it's often used as a marketing trick or ploy to make you seem much more credible than you actually are. And that's really the whole purpose of Profitly, once again, in my opinion. All right, now how was I able to generate $2 billion worth of trades? And as you saw, these were trades over the course of a year, so they did appear quite legitimate. Well, guys, I'm not such a great fake guru, but what I am great at is programming and actually writing code. So I spent 5 minutes writing code that will generate a CSV file that contains a myriad of different trades that conforms to Profitly's bulk trade uploading format. On Profitly, there's a feature to bulk upload your trades in a CSV file. So I generated this very quick script in C# to generate 10,000 trades, make sure that most of my trades are skewed towards winning trades, and make sure that I'm making money on those winning trades. As you can see here, I have some code to show you. I'm not sure how important this is to you, whether it's important or not. But what I pretty much did is I generated a bunch of different stock entries. I ordered them by the entry date. I generated random dates and made sure that the dates actually make sense. For example, my buy day is earlier than my sell day. And then I just simply went ahead and printed those out into a file called fakestocktrades.csv. I then took that file and simply uploaded it onto Profitly. Shebang, I became the #1 verified trader on Profitly. Now guys, one thing that's actually quite interesting about Profitly, if you go to Profitly right now, what you will notice is that my account was suspended. I'm no longer a top trader on Profitly. I don't know why I'm no longer a top trader on Profitly. I mean, it's all verified and audited trades that are allowed on Profitly, so it seems quite strange that they decided to take me out, metaphorically of course. But if you now go on Profitly.com and you actually take a look at the #1 spot on Profitly, it's empty. Nobody's there. The top person, the #1 person, is #2. Why is that the case? Well, it's because my account was taken down, and now the ghost of the Coding Jesus occupies the #1 spot as the #1 fake day trading guru out there with a total profit of $2.6 billion. Now, I don't know how shitty their code is to the point where once they deleted me, their #1 guy is now #2, but regardless, I'll take it and I'll look at it as if the ghost of Coding Jesus now occupies the #1 spot forever. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I really enjoyed playing around with these fake gurus websites like Profitly. There was no hacking, there was no SQL injection attack. Everything was entirely legal, generated a CSV and uploaded it using a program that I wrote in around 5 minutes, and I became the #1 verified and audited financial guru. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you did like it, make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you want to support this channel in terms of being the lifeblood of this channel and getting really sick perks, including group chats that I do with all my patrons, make sure to take a look at that Patreon link in the description box below. Like I said, we do weekly group meetings over voice chat. Now, if you guys would like to speak to me for whatever reason, you can email me at thecodingjesus@codingjesus.com, and you can join my Discord community, link in the description box below, guys. Statistics.